Welcome to Whiteboard Project Management Channel. In this channel, you will learn the tools and techniques used in the project management in a practical way. Prepare your white sheets, grab your cup of coffee, hit subscribe, and let's start the session. Let's discuss if the client comes to you as a contractor with unreasonable thing. So how do you act when the client comes to you with unreasonable request? Client and contractor. As a contractor, you are doing some work to the client according to some scope defined in the contract. Okay, now the client during the project execution comes to you and say, listen, I need this scope to be modified and to be applied. And you are in the stage of executing, and this is unreasonable request from the client. How do you act? Right, now I am in a contractor side and I need to act to the client. First thing, as a first step you need to do, as they said, put yourself in my shoes. If I am a client and the contractor is seeing that my request is not reasonable, so I will tell the client, the contractor, okay, come put yourself in my shoes. Means that the contractor will look to himself from the client eyes. Why the client is requesting such unreasonable request? Understand the client. So first thing, put yourself in the client eyes. Second, understand the client. Means, okay, I will put myself in the client eyes, or I will put myself in your shoes. Okay, and look on myself again. Then I will try to understand the client, why the client is requesting this, for what reason. Okay, not only looking on my side, I have to look from the client side as well. Why the client is requesting this? There is some reason, there is a reason for that request. Then we reach to the third point, where you need to reach to an agreement. If the contractor put himself in the client's eye, the client should put himself in the contractor's eyes and look back. So they both look into each other from different positions. They start to exchange and understand themselves. Then they can reach finally to an agreement. This agreement could be something in between, or the contractor agree completely the client request and the client say, okay, for this reason I will give you this award, this type of award. I will pay to you extra money for this job, or I will agree with you that you have not completed your work in some time, so I will leave some penalties or so on. So there will be some agreement. You will reach to an agreement for this reasonable thing. I wanted here to highlight to you only the strategy of negotiation between you as a project manager from the client side, or you as a project manager from the contractor side. When you are receiving from the second party unreasonable request, how do you act? So first, put yourself in the client eyes or in the second part eyes. Second, understand the client. Third, reach to an agreement. Simple steps can be applied all the time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.